Yo, guys, so there is new opportunity right here that you can use to claim free funded account, which is a stimulated capital or a virtual fund. Remember, it's not a real fund. You cannot withdraw it. You can use it to trade the forex market and meet the requirement to withdraw. That is the only thing. And this information that I'm going to provide is publicly available on the internet. So if you want to engage with them, make sure you do your own research around them before you engage with them. So with that being said, I'm going to show you this new opportunity. So this is for traders, pro firm. They are giving out this offer. Okay, so this is not what I'm going to talk about. What is showing on the screen is not what I'm going to talk about. So let's go straight to the offer. So to get the link and how you can do this, just go straight to my Telegram channel. I post the link under the video description. Go there, join the Telegram channel to grab the link. So I'll take you there to go through the process with you. So you can read about this pro firm right here. They have a different kind of platform that they trade with and other things that are very important for you to know about before you start trading with them. So you can go through all of them. So let's quickly go to the Telegram channel where the link is. Okay. So it's a 6K free account. You can see, I'm going to show you this. And there is a tax you have to perform in order to get this account. So let's go to my Telegram channel where I show you the update. So if you're not in the Telegram channel, join it. So this was the update. Today I updated two pro firms already. One is here. This is the link. It's a 10K free account. And today this current one too is a 6K account for, and it's a three-step account for everyone. So how do you claim this? So first you have to sign up with the link right here. So this is the link you have to sign up with right here. And then step two, you have to click and reward in the left menu on the Windows from left uh burger button, okay, on the Android or ISO. So that is it. So start completing tasks. That is step three. Start completing tasks to grow your wallet. So there is a point you have to accumulate. So you can see there's a note. You can get you can gain around 21 credits without any referral or pre-purchase. Okay, it takes 8 hours to 1 day for coin to get added, and that's the four visit buy challenge, and then add coupon code trade 15 in it, and then use your credit to buy account. So you just have to click on the link right here, and then it will take you to the sign up page where you have to go and sign up and be ready to claim this account. Step two is have to go to the uh, Haga button at your top left corner, and then you will see the drop down menu to select end reward. So from the end reward, you see there are a lot of taxes right there you have to perform in order to accumulate 21 credit to get your free account. And remember, the credit is being added after the taxes for about 8 hours to 1 day before the credit will be added. So I recommend everyone that want to use this account to go with MetaTrader 5 because it's the easiest platform to trade with when it comes to forex trading. Okay, so take note of that. So this is the update I have for you guys today. Don't put your money into it. I only bring out the information about the free part of it. So if you want to put your own money into it, make sure you do your own research before you engage with them. I recommend that very, very, very high for you guys. So there is one thing trending in the news now, which is BTC that I just want to talk about. I'll shoot a real video about it. Okay, so this is BTC chart on a daily time frame. And when you look at this as a technical trader, this is not any crash for us. Okay, this is not any crash. So people are crashing, BTC is crashing and all that. To me, nothing is happening to BTC yet. BTC is still ranging within this zone. Okay, I'll do a full tutorial in order to talk about this. Okay, So this is just ranging, okay? BTC is just ranging between these two. So there is nothing to worry about. There is nothing to worry about at all. This is where BTC is ranging. When it breaks this down, then we'll see more growth. Okay, so that's what I have for you guys today. See you tomorrow in another update. If you're interested in no deposit bonus free funded account videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share. Goodbye.